In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to menu, tap at gear to open up settings, and then just scroll down until just under the audience and visibility you'll find profile locking. Tap at profile locking, and all you have to do now is just tap at that button which says lock your profile. After a couple of seconds, it says you locked your profile. That's it.